Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tip video here from your SMS team. And today, this is going to be a little bit of a team effort. We've had a lot of inquiries, as well as our factory, Ultravation, has had a lot of inquiries regarding tracking down the appropriate replacement UV lamp. And as far as the UVC lamp world is concerned, there are many different types of bulbs and lamps. I know Ron throws stuff at Tara. Tara gets stuff thrown at her from contractors, distributors, etc. I mean, just for fun, here's an example of just all different kinds of looking UV lamps, right? So we've got stuff for residential. We got things here on the upper right here, which is for our 7-inch mini split ductless lamp kit. We've got commercial grade products here, our Airstream, coil related. You got different lengths. It's a lot to digest. So the point of today's video is let Tara grab the reins and help guide us through some tools that we actually do have available and that we will make sure is on our website as well for easy use. So Tara, what do you got to show us today?
All right, let me share my screen here. I've got the replacement lamp guide from Ultravation up here. And make this a little bigger. I think it might be a little, there we go. So this list comprises all of our more popular lamps. So for the Ultramax, the Phototronic, the commercial ones, UV Matrix, Easy Light, all of those are in this handy little tool we'll have on our website. So feel free to access this for easy replacement lamp guide. And, I think it's definitely a nice tool. However, we took this one step further and there were some lamps missing that we wanted to add and make sure that you guys are aware of. So I'm going to switch over here to.
Yeah, and Ron, I think Ron and I both have used this guide, and I would say this probably does cover a good quantity of our inquiries. I mean, Ron, obviously you do have inquiries that go beyond this list, right?
Absolutely. One thing I don't see on here quite yet, unless I'm missing it, is the easy lamp replacement.
Okay.
So that's one note, but I really do like how, for instance, the M series is one of our more popular mini split lights for mini splits, as I was saying, and it's right there. So it's an easy reference of, we look at the mini M series, we see where the dot's at, then we follow that to the top, and it'll give us the model number for the actual lamp replacement.
Yeah, and the same thing goes for the UVP 6000, which is that popular portable unit that we can move from room to room. The advantage of the M series and the UVP 6000 is that they're such unique products. Those lamps are easy, right? Actually, that's probably the fastest solution, and that's why it's on the guide. But then you get into these situations where we have all these different UV lamps for coils. We have them at a T3 level lamp or not, obviously 1 year versus 2 year life. And then obviously getting into the commercial world of obviously different lengths and obviously making sure, are those T3 or not? So there's a lot more going on with lamps than we ever expected.
Yes. And like you said, the multiple different sizes in the lamps as well can create confusion. So what we did is we took our Ultravation price list, which is a large file to begin with. So I think this is a great tool to have in your arsenal here. So down, you'll see this replacement lamp column P was added, and it'll give you all of the replacement lamps for each product. So here's our Phototronic. We've, got those listed. And then if you scroll down, we've got the Advantage, which is a really popular product. And then, just some other,
Yeah, and obviously the empty boxes, I'm guessing, are obviously
those
existing lamps or non-UV.
They're either a replacement lamp, the part number for the replacement lamp itself, or their product, like our filters start the price list. So obviously none of those, have lamps. So the blank box means there is no replacement lamp needed for that item.
Ron, what's a product you're working on right now that was not in that easy guide? And like if we wanted to do a quick search for it, we can actually show people right here, right now.
So let's check out the Matrix Easy UV 62-inch bulb.
Okay, so that's actually going to be on our commercial price list, which is also done with the same column.
Cool.
And let's look at that.
We didn't always have a separate commercial file either. So that's another great tip for today, is we separated these out compared to years ago because it can be overwhelming. So
Yes, yeah, very true. And some wholesalers do really well with the commercial line, and others just focus more on the regular distribution, the regular UVC lights. So it's definitely kind of gets rid of some of the excess that they don't maybe need. So here we've got our UV, so the UV matrix AS.
Easy UV 62-inch lamp.
there's the EZs towards the bottom. Now they're in the middle.
Here, the 62-inch length.
Yep.
That looks like that's it.
Okay. So AS-IH-0610. There you go.
Yeah.
Cool. And obviously that's a good tip here, right? These lamps are going to apply to different products, right? So I could already guess or assume, and we know what those words mean. But to be fair, if you're looking at multiple commercial products and we happen to have a 62-inch lamp option on different platforms, it's probably going to be that same model number. But again, the point of this extra work that Tara put in with this new column is to just really confirm it for you. Okay,
Yes.
that is the same model number. Okay.
Correct. Yeah, because it can create confusion, especially when there are multiple different lamps as an option. So we wanted to really just make it as simple as possible.
Yeah, I think the biggest benefit here is really on the residential side. The first list you had up, because the two most popular lamp sizes are 12-inch and 17-inch UV lamps for the size of a coil. But now you're getting into, okay, is it our throwaway advantage design, right? The more cost-effective designs. Is it our more higher end lifetime warranty products that use a 2-year T3 lamp that has an interchangeable plug cord connector, right? It's a completely different design of a lamp. So that's not going to be the same lamp that goes in the Advantage. So that's where we really have to get that beneficial result here of, okay, I got 12, I got 17, but is it in an Advantage design? Is it a non-T3 design? Is it a T3 design? So there's all the questions popping up.
Yeah, exactly. Yep. Our most popular bulbs, just like Scott mentioned, is the ASIH 1001 and the ASIH 1003. So the 12 and 17s.
Very cool. And obviously those are the 12-inch or 17-inch, and they are a T3 class 2-year lamp life. So that's why they are most popular. So, well, awesome. Well, Ron, did you have anything else to add? I think we just want to make this a short, quick tip guide video.
No, I think what we've done here, and thank you, Tara, for presenting, is give us an easy way. You can see how confusing this can get. Looking at the price sheet, there's a lot of information there, and especially since last year, a lot of people started buying bulbs or buying the actual products, and now here within the next year, they're going to start really be looking at those replacement bulbs. So it is really nice to have this kind of quick cheat sheet to go and match these bulbs up, and then we can jump into the big price sheet and get all the dimensions and everything right here as well. And it's just an easy way to match them up.
Yeah, great reminder. A great way to bring this tip video to the end here is that, as a reminder, UV lamps, depending on the design and depending on the model you put in, it's either going to be a 1-year PM maintenance cycle replacement, or it's going to be a 2-year PM maintenance cycle. So that comes down to whether or not it was one of our dual band designs, which is a 2-year, or a T3 design, which is a 2-year, or you put a more entry-level solution in, which is just using a 1-year lamp life. So again, this is a great new guide enhancement. Tara, thanks for helping put the work together. Ron, thanks for the teamwork as always. So again, guys, you'll be able to go visit smsteam.co. That initial guide she showed at the beginning of the video will be there for download off of our website. And then obviously moving forward, if you want this updated version of our pricing sheet, just reach out, and all the new versions have this column included, thanks to Tara's hard work. So, all right, guys, thanks for hanging with SMS team. We'll catch you guys again soon on the next tip video. Later.